Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to film the, I believe it's August, September LoveGoodly box, which I'm very excited to get into. But before we do, let's talk about a little bit of what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a couple of different new products. On my lips, I have the Medusa's Makeup Liquid Lipstick Matte in the color Cowgirl that came in the, I think it was in this month's box, the August box, and I think it looks a little crazy on me personally. I think I'm too pale to pull this off. I think you would either need to be paler than I am so that this looks darker, or tanner than I am so that it looks light, because right now it feels like it is really blending in with my skin a little too much. So I would love to know how you guys think this looks, but right now I think it's maybe not one for me. And also it's not the most comfortable. It's kind of sticky. I don't know if you guys see that, my lips stick together, which I think, I feel like I have another Medusa's Makeup Matte that doesn't do that, but it could be that I put on too much trying to make it even out. That's a little subjective. I would have to use it a couple times to really suss out what exactly is going on with that. But let me know what you think of the color. I think I look kind of crazy, but definitely interested in opinions, so let me know down below in the comments. I also used, and you will see I look a little crazy again, the Medusa's Makeup Peachy Keen Blush, the Sweet Cheeks Peachy Keen Blush. I literally tapped my brush. Look how much is still in there. Tapped my brush on this. And that is how much product was on there. After I tapped the brush off, I literally went boop, boop, and there was so much product on my face. I just like am shocked with how pigmented this is. And for me, it's like a double-edged sword, because it's like, well, I see the value in that. This product will last forever because you literally need the teeniest, tiniest amount of it. Also, that means I have to be crazy careful every time I use it, because I am literally glow in the dark white, and a teeny tiny bit too much of this and I'm gonna look like a baby doll. It's gonna look nuts. So I'm on the fence about whether or not I want to keep this, just because I like my makeup to be easy to use. And while this is gorgeous, like, I love the color, it is not easy to use. It is super pigmented. It'd be fantastic for dark skinned girls, because this is just so pigmented. Honestly, I feel like you could put this on matte black paper and it would show up. It is that highly pigmented. I'm sorry if you hear Franny meowing in the background. She has a lot of opinions this morning. But yeah, amazing product, but I think it might be a little too pigmented for me, so I'm on the fence about that too. Both of these products that came this month, I'm just like, ooh, I don't know. The other one that I used this month, or in this video, is the Eye Dust in Silverado. Did this also come in the August box? I think it did. So I love this. I think it looks delightful. I think it's the nicest part of the look. I just think it's dreamy and ethereal. It's not quite as dark as I was expecting it to be. I did use a fluffier brush applying it, but yeah, I'm just realizing I did not put on mascara at all. I'm losing my mind. Anyway, I like this a lot. I think it's really pretty. So this is definitely one I plan to keep. I'm going to take a break right now, take this lip product off because I'm just uncomfortable, and put some mascara on because I don't know why I didn't put any on, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back, and while we are still on the topic of makeup, I have been using Medusa's Makeup Mascara, the Witch Lash, recently, and I have been really enjoying this thus far. So that is like, what, 4 reviews for makeup in this video? I'm doing pretty good, huh? So let's go ahead and get started taking a look at what is in the LoveGoodly box. I'm very excited. As you guys know, I get the VIP or whatever it's called, so I get an extra product in mine. But here are this month's cards. Let's take a look. Let's just pick the first product we find and get going. So So this is the True Moringa Tranquility Facial Oil, Moringa and Lavender. So I can tell you right off the bat, I'm probably not going to put this on my face because it's got that lavender in it. And I don't put lavender on my face, personally. So this is a $17 value from the brand True Moringa. And it is a roller applicator. It works directly with True Moringa works directly with a network of 5,000 smallholder farmers throughout Ghana to plant over 2 million moringa trees, providing sustainable livelihoods through access to credit, agricultural training, nutrition programs, and fair wages. This multi-purpose roller can be used for everything from a makeup remover to cuticle care. The lavender provides a tranquil, calming essence. True Moringa oil is the perfect under-eye treatment to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, or daily facial moisturizer to even and nourish the skin. Non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, and fair trade. So, I mean, it sounds like their business practices are delightful, but this is not going to go on my face. I don't mind the idea of putting it on my cuticles, or even if the lavender is strong, using it a little on my wrist at night just to get that nice little lavender kick. But as of right now, this is not something I would use on my face. And it's called a facial oil, so even though they say there's like multiple uses, it's called a facial oil, let's be real. I have so many random things I'm working through. I might just give this away, to be honest. Next product is the Hydrator Overt Quench and Plump Serum. So this is a $39 value, which is pretty nice. And let's read about it. This organic 20% hyaluronic acid serum enables your skin to absorb and retain more moisture, leaving it with an abundance of much needed hydration. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin moisturized and happy, but never oily. Benefits include deeply hydrating plant-based ingredients to trap in moisture, firmer, plumper skin by increased collagen production, soothing anti-inflammatories like aloe vera and green tea, with proven plant-based ingredients like organic aloe vera and Centellia asiatica, shown to increase collagen production and soothe your skin. Firmer, plumper skin awaits. Non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, and charity. So they must do some sort of charitable giving. Now, I did go ahead and read the ingredient list. I did open this just to take a peek. And geranium essential oil is midway through the list. And then wild geranium a little lower, but that one's an extract. So that geranium does concern me a little bit. I would need to do more research about geranium because I've just never really encountered that in a product before to see if that is an irritating essential oil or not. But if it's not, I'll keep it because I am running low on the hyaluronic acid type product that I am using right now, which I think is from The Ordinary. But this is going to require a little more research on my end just to make sure that's something that I'm okay putting on my skin. And it is midway through the list, so it's not like it's all the way at the bottom. But yeah, I guess, you know, I'm not going to open it. This is what it looks like. I'll show you on the card. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm not going to open it in case I decide to give it away. That way I can give a friend a brand new unopened product. Let's see, the next item. Ooh, from 100% Pure. Look at this packaging. This is fun. I guess this is a mascara because that's what it looks like. Let's read the little thing. Maracuja oil mascara for volumizing. It's got black tea in it, natural, vegan. This is fun and recyclable, which is kind of cool. So here's what it looks like. It's a super like pale pink silver type of color. And you know I love getting mascaras because I will use a mascara in due time. So this is a $26 value, which this box is already like a crazy good value-wise deal. So luscious lash volumizing mascara that won't clump or flake, infused with maracuja oil, lash conditioning vitamins and pigments of tea, cacao, and coffee. This volumizing mascara formula is infused with luscious maracuja oil from passion fruit to smoothly coat each lash without clumping or flaking. Conditioning Pro Vitamin B5 pairs with lash thickening seaweed to enhance volume and promote healthy hair growth. Fitted with a tapered oval tip and richly pigmented with tea, cacao, and coffee beans, this water-resistant, oh, that's interesting, mascara, this water-resistant mascara delivers dynamic color and feathery, natural-looking volume, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, made in the USA, and gluten-free. So I'm very curious about this waterproof claim, because I was kind of under the impression that it might be really smudgy since there's maracuja oil in it. But I'll definitely bring y'all around back into the loop when I start using this, because I just opened the Medusa's makeup one, so I probably won't get to this anytime soon, but I am very excited to have it and give it a try. Okay, and the last product that comes in the regular box is from J&L Naturals. It's a vegan lip balm Heal. I guess Heal is the variety. They must have other varieties of lip balm. It's an $8.99 value. J&L's hand-poured lip balms are made 100% biodegradable, compostable, and recyclable containers from natural, plant-based, and cruelty-free ingredients for smooth lips and a healthy earth. Up to 1 billion plastic lip care containers are wasted each year, desecrating our lands, rivers, oceans, and wildlife, many of which contain harmful chemicals that further contaminate the environment. So to use it, gently push up from the bottom, apply to lips as needed. It features peppermint essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil. It's non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, and sustainable. So that peppermint and eucalyptus kind of give me the impression that this might be a good one to use if you have a headache or if you have a stuffy nose. Peppermint I always find helps me relieve headaches, and eucalyptus I always find helps to like kind of clear my sinuses. So this could be a good one to use when sick. So here is what it looks like. It's tiny, but it's thick. It's not quite as ridiculous as the one that came in the Medusa's makeup, but yeah, it's still pretty tiny. It looks like you have to peel off this part of the label to open it. So yeah, it's pretty thick. It takes up that whole container. I have so many lip balms I keep getting, and honestly I sort of love it, because lip balms are something, I mean, just like mascara, I will go through them. I will use it, I'll go through it. So love that. So with the normal box so far, the 2 skincare products that arrived, not so jazzed about, especially the one with the lavender, especially when they're telling you to put it under your eyes. You don't want all that fragrance under your eyes. That's kind of concerning. This one though, I have to definitely do a little more research on. I'd prefer if they didn't put geranium essential oil into it, just because essential oils are so hit and miss, but I will do a little more research and see what is going on with that, to see if it's something I want to put on my face. But the mascara and the lip balm, very pleased with. Now let's move on to the product that is the VIP buy up, and it is from 100% Pure. It's the Pretty Naked palette, which is a $55 value. So here's what it looks like, and I will open it in just a second after I read the description. Fruit Pigmented Makeup Palette celebrates neutral tones and soft shimmer to enhance and beautify your complexion. Includes eyeshadows, blush, and a highlighter. There's a word missing here. The Pretty Naked palette is a beloved 100% pure beauty staple. This fruit pigmented palette celebrates neutral tones. Oh, it's just repeating itself. Okay. It includes 3 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Each signature shade is colored from vitamin-rich fruit and vegetable pigments, not synthetic dyes, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, made in the USA, and gluten-free. The palette includes Pink Champagne, which is a pink luminescent powder with Pearly Gold Shimmer, Pretty Naked, which is a peachy nude blush, Flaxseed, which is a pale pink nude eyeshadow with taupe undertones, Toffee, which is a taupe gray eyeshadow with silver undertones, and Chestnut, which is a rich bronze chocolate eyeshadow with rosy undertones. So it says this is a $55 value, which is a crazy good buy up for the VIP this month. I am going to go ahead and open this to take a better look at it, because this is something I definitely can't decide if I want to keep without seeing it. So go ahead and pull the plastic out. This is what we have. Honestly, really pretty. Right up my alley. This is something I think I will keep, because this would be so nice to travel with. Really super easy neutral blushes, really super easy neutral eyeshadows. That light one right there I could probably even use on my brows, to be honest. Honestly, really, really pretty. I am really excited about this. I don't have a lot of 100% pure stuff. I have the Fruit Pigmented concealer, which I do really, really love this product. This is the only product I have from them. I might have a mascara. No, the mascara I just got. I feel like I've tried one other thing from them. Maybe it was an eyeliner or something. But I'm really excited about this. And overall, this has really significantly colored my opinion of the box, because I'm really pumped about this. So, let's see. 3 out of the 5 products, super jazzed about. Kind of middle of the road about 1, and 1 that I'm just not all that excited about. So overall, I would say this does lean on the positive side for this month, or this bi-month, dual month, I don't know how to word that. For this particular box from LoveGoodly, I am quite pleased. I love getting stuff from brands that I'm always curious about but haven't pulled the trigger to buy anything on. So this 100% pure stuff is very exciting to me, and I always love a lip balm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, hit the subscribe button, and I do want to know your opinion on that pale lip gloss or liquid lipstick that I was wearing earlier. Let me know what you think. I was just not all that jazzed about it color wise, but also wear wise it wasn't great. And I gotta tell you, getting that thing off, I had it on for maybe 5 minutes filming my clip. It was torture. I had a whole lip exfoliation, but I also didn't want to use like a balm or an oil to try and get it off, because I didn't want to mess up the rest of my face. So give and take a little there. Anyway, I'm rambling at this point. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.